What's good, Bit Rushers? It's DeFi Brains back with another weekly edition of NFT News. You all know what to do. Pound that thumbs up if you're enjoying the content. Make sure you sub to the channel if you're not already, and find links to all of the articles in the description below. Also, make sure you're following my brand, Abraxas, over at Twitter at Abraxas_DAO. We did recently launch our Pumpkin Patch game. It is now on the web, Android, and also available on iOS. Next on the agenda is to sync it up with the blockchain, get our crypto coin launched. We also have some other really good news here with Abraxas, is that our trademark application that we filed last year did get accepted. So Abraxas is now trademarked in the metaverse for all NFT uses. And if that wasn't enough, we're about to launch our second NFT project's comic book. The Chill Cubes comic book will go live later this week. So make sure you guys are in the Discord chat for that. And if you guys don't own any of my NFTs, there is still an opportunity for you to mint some Chill Cubes and go ahead and get one of those comic books for free. You can also back the physical edition, which comes with a free NFT over on Kickstarter. So again, make sure you're in the Discord for all of that information or following our Twitter account for updates and tweets. First up in the news, we have Matic rally gathers speed as Meta announces Polygon-powered NFTs. Chart signals a golden cross. The advanced and scaling system Polygon native cryptocurrency Matic has accelerated in the wake of positive news and bullish chart patterns. Matic has rallied 30% in 2 days, reaching a 6-month high of $1.15 on Friday, according to CoinDesk data. The climb has lifted the cryptocurrency's cumulative gain since the end of June to 270%. The latest leg higher could be attributed to Web2 giant Meta's decision to launch a toolkit allowing users of social media platform Instagram to mint and sell Polygon-powered non-fungible tokens or digital collectibles. Polygon is the first partner that Meta has chosen for this new feature. And this is just a guess on my part, but I would assume that Facebook will be following suit here fairly quickly, as they do tend to roll things out on one platform and then bring it over to the other as well. Creators will soon be able to make their own digital collectibles on Instagram and sell them to fans both on and off Instagram, Meta announced on Wednesday. They'll have an end-to-end toolkit from creators starting on the Polygon blockchain and showcasing to selling. And if we come down and take a look at the chart, you guys can see what they're talking about here with the golden cross. So we did have the 200-day moving average, the red line, cross over the 50-day moving average, which is the golden line there, and that's what they refer to as a golden cross. So we had that happen, then we had the news here of Meta, and that gave us this nice little boost up past our previous resistance point. So we now have a high higher than the previous high. So that is a bullish sign on the charts here, but we're sticking to NFT news mainly in this video. If you guys want to read the full article, make sure you find it below. And next up, we have the CryptoPunks are now in the Guinness Book of World Records, the world's favorite compendium of random information. The Guinness Book of Records has decided to honor the achievements of the blockchain by recognizing the might of the CryptoPunks within the pages of its latest tome. According to Guinness, CryptoPunk number 5822 represents the most valuable NFT collectible in existence after it sold slightly before the markets turned sour in the distant realm of February for a whopping 8,000 Ethereum, or 23 million USD. They seem to have minted Beeples every day from the top spot due to a technicality the record keepers themselves made up. It doesn't say exactly what that is, but I think it's because that NFT was like a combination of a bunch of other NFTs. I'm not sure exactly why that is, but they are recognizing CryptoPunk 5822 as the most valuable NFT in existence as of today's date. So if you guys want to read this article, again, they're all linked in the description. Next up, we have Reddit launched its own NFT marketplace in July. It has already more users than OpenSea and other major platforms. 3 million users have created Reddit Vaults, the company's name for a blockchain wallet, since the service was created a few months ago. And you can see some of these NFT profile avatars that we have here in the example. Quietly and seemingly overnight, Reddit has become one of the biggest crypto art marketplaces, and it did so by avoiding the acronym NFT. So if you guys aren't familiar, Reddit actually didn't use the term NFT. They just used like digital collectible and avatars. And we saw there with their vault, they're not calling it a wallet. And still, they are basically the most used marketplace now with the 3 million active users. So let's continue on here. It says earlier this month, Reddit CPO Polybot revealed that 3 million users have created vaults, the site's name for a blockchain wallet, since the company launched the product this summer. Of those, an estimate 2.5 million were set up to purchase Reddit's own avatar, the site's name for a profile picture style NFT, he explained. That means Reddit, which just formally entered the crypto collectible space this summer, already has more users than OpenSea, one of the most established NFT platforms. It's an impressive feat, especially considering the dramatic depreciation of cryptocurrency and blockchain collectibles in 2022. So really good stuff here from Reddit. Obviously, we know they do have a huge user base and community, so a lot of those people are hopping on and joining and creating wallets, or vaults as they call them, to get these avatars for their profile picture. And moving along, we do have PayPal has a move into the NFT space. In June, during CoinDesk Consensus, PayPal CEO, blockchain tech is slowly redesigning the future of our financial system. The NFT and Web3 trademark announcement from PayPal comes around the same time as another global fintech giant, Western Union, announced similar moves. This is a huge push forward to the Web3 ecosystem and helps faster acceptance and growth of the industry. The trademark applications include plans for exchanging, trading, and processing transfer of digital assets. The filing goes on to include crypto, digital, and virtual currencies. The first trademark application is downloadable software for trading and storing cryptocurrencies. This is why many speculate a new NFT marketplace exclusive to PayPal is in the works. Moreover, the other trademark pertains to crypto payment processing applications. However, this would not be the first time the company has delved into crypto. Earlier this year, PayPal introduced a pay via crypto feature. This allowed users to transfer Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin to and from the app to external crypto wallets. This includes crypto exchanges, hardware wallets, and family and friends. To add to this, PayPal also announced its own stablecoin at the start of the year. And finally, in crypto news for the week, we do have LooksRare reduces creator fees to zero as competition heats up. Hip young NFT marketplace LooksRare has waded into the great creator royalty debate with its own take on the issue, therefore reducing the creator royalties to zero while providing a degree of compensation through its own platform fees. So they're not just wiping out creator fees altogether, however, they are reducing them to zero by default, so creators don't have the ability to set that fee. Instead, they're sharing 25% of the on-chain 2% that LooksRare does take from each transaction. So you're still getting essentially a 0.5% of the transaction as a base fee for creators. They're just not allowing the creators to set their own amount of fees, and this reduces the overall cost of the NFTs on their platform. So again, if you guys want to read this article, make sure you find it linked in the description below, and that's going to be everything for this week's NFT news. Thank you guys again for watching, and again, please support my brand, Abraxas DAO. We are launching that comic book. We have recently launched our first game, getting ready to launch our token and sync up with the blockchain on that. Bunch of cool stuff coming. ChillCube's NFTs are still available for mint. Links for all of that in the description below. If you guys enjoyed the content, tap on that thumbs up button. If you're not already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, sub to the channel, and we'll see you next week.